Inspired by the things that are growing outside in my garden, I decided to make this fresh and summery pasta dish. I'm using bucatini, which is the thicker spaghetti kind of with the hole in the middle. It goes really well with this because I think all the flavors clings to that pasta. So I went out this morning and I found some fresh arugula growing, some chives that have grown to become more like green onions. I'm gonna use those too. I have a couple of types of za'atar, which is biblically hyssop. It's a type of oregano plant with different varieties. I have this, which is Lebanese, and this, which is Palestinian za'atar. I'm gonna be incorporating those also to my recipe. I will enhance the flavors with some lemon zest and lemon juice, a tiny bit of salt, some finishing cream, and I'm using in the recipe a cup of Parmesan or Romano cheese, depending on what you like more, and then some more aged cheeses for finale to add if you wish. What goes into this is just a tiny bit of salt and a little pepper, and those fresh, very summery, good flavors. That's gonna make a great dish. Now, on the stove, I have my water boiling. I'm gonna boil my pasta. Follow the package's directions. You want it to be al dente, just firm to the bite. And I'll show you how to continue. When your water comes to a boil, put generous amount of salt into it, and then drop your pasta, and make sure you have about 2 liters of water, and that's what keeps the pasta from sticking to each other and cooking evenly and nicely. In a pot, I will just put tiny bit, very little, just to cover the bottom so things don't stick. My pasta cooked and it's al dente. I will transfer it to my hot pot. Just like this. Lower your heat. I will start with half a cup of pasta sauce. I will zest some fresh lemon, and while this is hot, it absorbs the flavors so well. I will also add some lemon juice. It's gonna take about 1 lemon, but I'll start with half, and then according to your flavor, I will add the 1 cup Parmesan or Romano, add half a cup of cream, and I can see here, I can start mixing. Let the cheese melt in the pasta water and cream. As soon as it comes to a boil, I will add my herbs and I'll finish it with some fresh arugula from the garden that is gonna add even another layer of great flavor and healthy twist to this very vibrant summery dish. I can hear it. It's boiling, and see how the sauce is coating the pasta. At this point, I will add my herbs. This is all the za'atar, the 2 different kinds. It's about a handful. mix it in. Let their aroma flavor this further. And that's it. It's very quick. When I start seeing like the steam coming out and the sauce a little bit thickened and it's starting to cling a little bit more, that's when I know my dish is finished. At this point, I will taste if I want to add a little bit more lemon juice. And this is up to your taste. I don't know, you know, each one of us like it differently. Yummy. Oh my God, it's so delicious. I will add just tiny bit. Now into this, I will turn off the stove. I will add the chives. And I will add also fresh arugula, but I will cut them with my scissors, just like that. And now I bet this is gonna be a dish that you will go for anytime you allow yourself. And we're done. This is finished. So I plated it in the dish. I added a little bit more chives and a little bit more aged cheese, the type that you like, or this can be also added after. And it's time to really taste it. So satisfying, hearty, fresh. It has the lemon, the summer flavors in this one very simple, delicious, and good for you dish. Enjoy!